Hi everyone, let's see how to transform yourself during the COVID-19 lockdown, and let's go. First, meditation. The Vedas in ancient India hold the oldest written record of meditation. 10 minutes every day is a good start. Try extending as you proceed. Second, exercise. It is said, key to a healthy mind is a healthy body. So spare some time and exercise. Third, cooking. Cooking as a therapy is effective because it encourages creativity. Cooking also makes people feel good about themselves because it's a way for them to nurture others. Fourth, reading. Fact: Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, reads 5 to 6 hours daily. Not that castles were made in a day, so let's start with the book that you have always wanted to read.
Fifth, let's learn a new skill. It's important to learn a new skill in this ever-changing world. So be it a new language or any online course that you would like to cover, and let's start doing it. At the end, stay safe, like, share and subscribe.